Want to clear your Facebook Reels history and remove the Reels you've watched before. Facebook actually keeps track of your activity, but you can delete that history. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on your profile menu. Depending on your app version, this may appear in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three-line menu icon. Then choose Settings and Privacy, and tap on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, scroll down a little until you find Activity Log under the Your Activity section. Tap on it to open your Facebook activity history. Now scroll through the options until you find Reels activity or videos you've watched. Facebook may place this section in slightly different locations depending on your device or app version. So if you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling a little. When you open it, you'll see a list of Reels and videos connected to your account activity. To remove them, tap the three dots next to a Reel. Then choose Delete or Remove from History. You can also clear multiple items if Facebook gives you the option. After deleting them, your Reels activity history will be much cleaner, and Facebook recommendations may start refreshing over time as well.